back to another edition of Durban Dungeon. Today is Series 1, Episode 3 of the Villiers James 1950s project bike. Today I'm going to fit a lot more to the bike. I'm going to get it as a rolling chassis and see how I go with that. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into it, shall we? See you in a bit. Right, so let's do a little bit of a walk around and show you what I've actually done so far. As you can see, it's a rolling chassis. I've put the rear wheel on, and front wheel is on, but the tire is flat. I've put the engine in, put the shocks in. I'll talk about those in more detail a little bit later. Got the swing arm in, and I also got the handlebars in. So far, so good. Couple of things going wrong with this bike already. So these front forks, they're absolutely knackered. So any of you that can point me in the direction of getting something to match this bike or anything. I'm missing the covers that go over the springs. and all the internal gubbins in here are knackered, so I'd need to know where to get all those sorts of spares from, if they even make any. But anyway, so you can see the engine. I'll give you a better view of the engine all around. So apparently this is a decompression for the cylinder. I have no idea what this is. Engine, there you go. Carburetor. Obviously everything's still very minging, but that's what a dry fit is for. So having a look there, see it from a different angle. What was that? I can't really even make that out, but yeah, all good. Now, I suppose you all wanted to know if this engine is seized or not. Well, let's see if it moves, shall we? Oh, we have movement. Excellent. That means we are not seized at all. Great. So I suppose I'll continue with this dry build and look into putting the tank and the seat and all that on as well.